Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating the essentials, your mic and headset. Plug in, set your device as default in Windows, and test with the sound control panel so you know hardware is functional. Once done, launch Sea of Thieves and also open the Xbox game bar. Windows sometimes routes audio through it. Make sure microphone permissions are granted, and turn off exclusive control in advanced device properties so the game and other apps can share audio. Now you configure routing inside Sea of Thieves. Go to Audio Settings and pick Party Voice or Open Voice Chat. Choose based on whether you want only crew or anyone nearby to hear you. Then explicitly select your headset mic and speakers in the game menu, since defaults can revert. While in Windows, open Volume Mixer and confirm Sea of Thieves isn't muted, and ensure the privacy microphone toggle allows the app to access audio. These steps prevent mismatched device routing. Finish with network and system cleanup to resolve lingering faults. Check your NAT. Open or moderate is ideal. If it's strict, restart your router and enable UPnP or forward Sea of Thieves ports on your router. After that, reboot the game and Windows 10/11 Xbox services so audio sessions reset. If problems persist, recreate your Windows audio profile or swap headsets to confirm hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other voice apps, because Discord or Teams often take exclusive mic control and break game chat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.